Arutwo atandatu kuma thukuru-ini wa thekondarĩ wa Kivavywa kaunti-ini ya Kakamega nĩ maikĩtio ngono thutha wa gwĩkũĩrwo na gũkuruhanio na ucini wa nyũmba ya toro ya thukuru ũyũ. Atandatu aya mahingĩrĩtwo ceceni-inĩ ya borithi ya Malava thutha wa ĩmwe ya nyũmba cia toro thukuru-inĩ ũyũ kũmundio mwaki ũtukũ wa ira na gũtiga arutwo makĩria ma 200 hamwe na thukuru ũyũ gĩtara hathara nene kumana na mwaki ũyũ.
Tuliambiwa security iko. Na mimi kwa binafsi yangu najua ya kwamba security kama iko, watoto kama wameenda preps kwa class, security inaangalia ni nini yenye inafanyika nyuma kwa dormitories. Sasa tunataka watuambie security walikuweko, walifanya hivyo ama hapana.
Na kianzo ya kuchoma hii shule, watoto kutaka kufanya mtihani. Hidi mara 3 kuchoma. Na kuna inside job watu wa village hapa wana collide na watoto hapa kuchoma shule. Jana nasikia MP alikuwa hapa akafukuzwa na watoto wa shule usiku. Gari yake ya mbele kioo imevunjwa, ya nyuma imevunjwa. Gari imepelekwa police station. Nataka kutuambia kianzo mzuri ya watoto kufukuza hata MP wa hapa. Hataki kutumbio.
Atongoria matiganite kaunti-ini no matongoretio ni munini wa governor Ayub Savula oro hamwe na mũmbunge wa gĩcigo gĩkĩ mathing'ĩrĩirie atandatu aya makinyio igoti-inĩ na oho aciari ao makuruhanio harĩ waki wa nyũmba ingĩ.
6 students have been arrested. They are in the cells because police investigation indicates that they were the main culprit. We are going to force the parents of those students to contribute towards the construction of that dormitory. Yeah. We are not going just to leave it every time you leave it on leaders. So parents will meet part of the cost of construction of that building.
We will not tolerate indiscipline. We know you. We know where you come from. We know the bad eggs.
Afitha munene wa gĩthomo wa Kakamega Dickson Ogonya, murutani munene wa thukuru ũyũ Bernard Wamanga na mũikarĩri gĩtĩ wa bodi ya thukuru ĩno Amos Chilai maugĩte mathomo nĩ megũthiĩ na mbere na kũria arutwo kũnyitanĩra harĩ ũthuthuria wa mwaki ũyũ.
And I want to implore upon you to continue being good students. Please be focused on your studies. And I also want to be very candid on this. If there's anyone amongst you here who feels that you don't like this school, tell your parents to get you out. Yes. Yes. Or you leave. Yes. Yeah. Sasa, don't ban so that the rest live with you. Just leave. You came here alone and leave alone.
Spare the road, spoil the child. Hatuta spare road. Wale wameshikwa mpaka kotini.
Kũngĩ nakuo thukuru-inĩ wa thekondarĩ wa St Peters Mumias ũrĩa ũrĩ gĩcigo-inĩ mbunge kĩa Mumias no hathara atara thwa nyũmba ya toro kũheana kĩhumo kĩa mwaki ũyũ gũtirĩ kĩramenyeka. Ngĩribotera ceceni ya Kameme TV njĩtagwo Wanjeri wa Kariuki.